sa puso't kalooban.
Naging matagumpay ang ginawang The Rotary Foundation 2014 Recognition Dinner na pinangunahan ng ating Best Governor Angelito Lito Colona ng Rotary International District 3830.
Dear TRF Vice Chairman, past Vice President Mike October, as you can see, the very essence of Rotarianism, generosity, is very alive in District 3830. And I salute them for making the lives of countless hopeless and needy individuals better. Mr. Vice Chairman, I am proud to say that the collective efforts of our Rotarians this year resulted in a general contribution of $283,200 for the first 5 months only.
Naroon bilang guest of honor ang ating Vice Chairman ng Rotary Foundation na si Michael McGovern. Binigyan ng recognition ang mga major donors, 100% Paul Harris Fellows, 100% Sustaining Clubs at Paul Harris Fellows Batch 1 and Batch 2. Sa nasabing recognition dinner, ipinakita ang District Grand Final Report para sa taong 2013-2014, kung saan sari-saring proyekto ang naging bunga ng puspusang pagtatrabaho ng mga Rotarians gamit ang District Grant Facility. Ilan po sa ating mga programa ay inline sa ating 6 areas of focus in the community: basic education and literacy, maternal and child care, peace and conflict resolution, economic community development, disease and prevention, at water sanitation. Sa pamumuno po ng ating Best Governor Lito Colona at sa lahat po ng ating mga Best Presidents ng Rotary International District 3830, makakaasa po kayo na tuloy-tuloy po ang serbisyo at commitment naming mga Rotarians sa paghahatid ng mga programang makapagpapabuti sa inyong mga buhay. On behalf of my fellow Rotarians and to quote the District Grant Team, thank you very much for the opportunity to serve. It was a pleasure to be of service to my fellow Filipinos. Congratulations po sa Rotary International District 3830, to our Best Governor Lito Colona, to all our Best Presidents, kasama po syempre ang inyong lingkod bilang Best President. Mabuhay po ang Rotary Club of Makati-Nilsen. Mabuhay po ang Rotary International District 3830. Mabuhay po ang ating mga Best Presidents ngayong taong ito. Mabuhay po ang Pilipino.